Hello, my friends, and welcome to this channel. Been a while. Thank you for joining me once more. So, if you're just joining us, you can watch our previous videos to support us to learn more about how to make an app on sketchware. Today's tutorial will be how to load an image, blurred, and then when the users click download, it loads the full image. So, we on our app compat. The first thing we do to avoid errors, and then ensure this files and your projects. Ensure these files and your projects. So once we click on I'll use the one example to explain this tutorial. So I created two more blocks: load the blurred image and load the full image. So in my own create, that's when the app starts. I have some sample URLs. They're available in the project when you get it. So I load the blur image immediately. The app start. I import the necessary classes and objects. So in my blurred image, I'm going to use this as my placeholder. If you want to use blurred image as a placeholder, you have to convert it to a drawable file. But for this tutorial, to keep this tutorial direct, so I added these images to load to be the placeholder, and then this IC on that download to be my download button. So we have our progress bar. So you can either use this or just use our normal load full image from URL. So this one does almost the same thing. The only difference is if the image is too large, at least we can see the progress of downloading. So once the image is small, it's almost impossible to see the progress. And then this add a transition animation. So in my list is similar. So in my unbind custom view, so the list example, I check if the image has been downloaded using this key. So once the image has been loaded fully, I just save it here. The image has been loaded fully so that I can use it to check next time if it has been loaded fully. And then just like the one example, it does exactly the same thing. So if we are to test this project to see how it functions, it's great. So in my one example, you can see the blurred image. Once I click, it switches to the full image. List example, the same thing. So we can do that just the way social media does. So like I say, once the image is big, you can see the loading. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Support this channel to grow. It's not easy making projects and videos free. Support me and encourage me by sharing, liking, subscribing, and then buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.